Hey guys, I would like to share a small review on this Brady uh, Label Maker. This cartridge right here came with the unit. It is a 3/4 inch size. It's got a button on the bottom. Like if you push the button, the cartridge comes out. You can buy these cartridges um, when they empty out. This one I already used it for a few things, but you see the width. This is 3/4. So whenever you get a new one, you gotta do is just push it in and flip this lock up. That way it'll feed, out whenever you're trying to make a label. Right here on the side, you got some buttons to cut the paper, left and right. If you're left-handed, right-handed, or whatever. Um, Comes with some instruction manuals. This kit came the way you see it. No battery, no charger, and there's different attachments that you can buy. One thing that I did buy for this one is this magnetic cover, right? So let's say if I'm working on a surface, on an area where there's a metal box, I can just stick this uh, to the metal box and it's gonna stay there for me, so I don't have to be, just putting it away, always be right next to me. This is an add-on feature that I bought and I installed it. So this right here, this magnet, this cover right here that you see, this blue cover, does not come with the unit. This is a separate feature that I bought. This is the buttons that I was telling you about to cut out the paper. Right here, you put your charger, that comes extra, and right here, the battery is where you put, does not comes with the battery. You gotta buy a battery separate. But if you don't want to buy the battery, you can run it with just the charger. I got the charger and the battery because if I'm working on an area where there's no outlets, I cannot use it. So that's why I got me the batteries and then the cover for the batteries. You know, the cover comes with it. Uh, Really handy, heavy duty, uh, different features that you can use, to print out any label that you want. Highly recommend it.